What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the garage. Just finished up doing some yard work, and if you guys live in Florida, you guys know it's been raining like crazy the last couple weeks. So every time I try to mow the yard, it's just sticky and makes the lawnmower get all clogged up. But we got it done. Took a couple hours. But today, gonna be working on the hatch here. I got some little gaskets for the rear tail lights here. So I just cleaned it up a little bit. These are the old ones here. Of course, the original, but yeah, they're falling apart. So the new ones look great. They feel good. They match up perfect. So I got the lights off, and I figured as I got the lights off, I might as well clean them up real good and try to either buff them out or re-clear them. But I'll probably just buff them out first because that's the easiest way. And if I don't like how it looks, then I'll go ahead and sand it down and clear them up. But that's pretty much what we got going on. I did rip all the interior out of the car because I need to install the harness bar. I want to weld some nuts on here or put like a plate of metal behind there. I think I have an example of kind of what I want to do. Okay, and since this was a 1990, it had the seat belts on the doors and not here. So what I'm going to try to do, sorry for bad camera angle. This is very, very strong. Nice thick steel. So I want to get this behind there. And that way it will have more surface area. And I feel like it would be a lot stronger than just welding a nut onto there. So let me know what you guys think about that. I probably will tack it on there or maybe put some bolts on both sides and then kind of just have it bolted on there. So that way it doesn't fall down in there. And it will just stay there even if I unscrew the bar. So I'm thinking about doing that, but I still got to see if that's going to work with putting the bar on and off, because once you put it on there, it might be kind of stuck in place. So just starting to figure all this stuff out. But anyway, that's what the back's looking like here. Got a mess going on here. All right, guys. So I am just cleaning this with a little super clean, some water, and a red Scotch-Brite. It's going to have little sand marks in it. That's fine because I'm going to hit it with like some 800 and then 1,000, and then I'll buff it out from there. But this is going to knock off any like dirt, debris, any oversprays, anything like that. Plus get all this in the back. Try to get all these, it's full of like chunks of dead leaves and stuff like that inside of here. All types of dirt. So try to work it all out of these cracks in here. I don't want to get inside of here wet. I should have taped it off or something or plugged it, but it's fine. I'll just be careful. I mean, you have to see, that's just from rear taillights, guys. That's how dirty they get after 30-something years. So let's rinse these off. The next one. All right, all the super clean is off of there. Put it up on our drying car over here. CRV volunteered today. So we'll let you guys dry out here. Hopefully it doesn't fall off and hopefully it doesn't rain, because it rains every day now. So as we let that dry, I'm gonna go get the buffer and all the stuff ready. All right, guys, so hear me out. So I'm letting these dry. This one came out really good. Still drying a little bit more, you can see. This one I could buff out. It'd probably be fine, but see it in the light. Ooh. But yeah, you see, it's got all these little cracks on it. I don't want to sand it down anymore. Where'd that bug come from? And risk like really chipping into these cracks here, and then I don't want the buffer to like get caught in it. So I'm just gonna clear these up. All right, so I was thinking if I'm gonna pull out the clear coat and mix it up, you know, I might as well do this one also. So I just got all the lights pulled off. Gonna go scuff these ones down, get them cleaned up, dry them off. My table that I'm gonna use to be painting on, I can probably do all of them, but I don't want to push it. I want to have enough room that I can work the gun around all the, you know, edges and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna do the EF ones first. As soon as those are dry enough that I can move them, I'll put them somewhere safe, and then we'll bring the Integra ones out and spray those. So that's the new game plan that we're gonna do now. So let's get to work getting the Integra ones ready, and then we'll start spraying the ones for the Civic. All right, so just finished up scrubbing down and degreasing these lights here for the Integra. They're drying up, so we'll see how they come out. This one has like paint drips all over it, so I gotta sand it more. I thought I got it out, but now that it's drying, I see them coming back. So gotta spend a little bit more time on that one, but these other ones are fine. So let me get back to work on this one. We'll let them all dry, and we'll start getting the EF lights prepped up and ready for clear. Okay, so these are drying up good. Just finished getting all the, there's like little paint drips all over it. I bought this light from a junkyard and I just never cleaned it up. I slapped it on the car and I always told myself I was gonna get to it. Today I'm getting to it. So that one's gonna be good. Got the EF lights over here, baking in the sun. While I still have it, I'm gonna wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol and let them dry, and then I'm gonna mix up the clear and we're gonna start spraying, guys. Trying to do, you know, one-handed YouTube work here. That's how all the professional YouTubers do it. All right, guys, so we're ready to start getting the clear ready. Got this old clear here with the hardener. Go ahead and mix those together, throw it in the gun. I got the air compressor filling up. The lights are out here ready to go. Just gotta flip them back over. They were getting all the water out of them and stuff. They should have been baked for like 30, 40 minutes now in the sun. They should be good. The Integra lights, let's see. They should be good and dry. Yeah, they're looking good, guys. So that's what you want to see. So when you clear them, they're just gonna look amazing, like if you put water on them. But I just been rotating them a little bit just to make sure get all the water out of any of the cracks and stuff. So, boom, guys, just like that. And hopefully the weather's gonna hold out. I'm gonna keep checking the radar before I clear, but yeah, it's not looking too good. It was really sunny like 30 minutes ago, but now it's kind of looking like shit. So, let's get to work. All right, we're gonna start doing the first coat of clear. Actually, so you can see it. All right, first coat. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Time to do the second coat. Try to do this one-handed with you guys here. Those stupid bugs, go away. Hope you guys are able to see because I'm not paying attention to the camera right now. Starting to gloss up, looking good. My compressor is not keeping up, man. It's not even a little bit. I get like 5 trigger pulls out of this thing and it's already dying. Kind of sucks. Okay, so I just laid down a real heavy coat. I didn't want to do it on camera because I didn't want to worry about holding on to the camera and everything. And I just wanted to concentrate on putting it on without any runs. And she looks great, so let's let her dry up without messing with it. And then we'll change it out, put the Integra ones there, and start getting those done. All right, so we gotta hurry up and lay some clear down because it looks like it's about to rain. So I gotta hurry up and do this and move these inside quick. Hopefully you guys can see I'm not paying attention to the camera. Hold on, let me make it bigger. There we go, now I don't have to pay attention. All right, first coat. Let that go ahead and tack up. We'll go hit another one. All right, sorry I didn't record the last video of me putting the final layer clear on the Integra taillights, but it looked like it was gonna start raining. And then I was like, you know what, there's only a little clear left. I'm just gonna bring it inside. And my kids wanted me to shoot some things for them. So my daughter painted up some rocks. Then my son popped off his little PlayStation controller piece. I just cleared those real quick, but it didn't even rain. So hopefully it's gonna be all right. But everything came out good, guys. Let me see if I can turn the flash on here. But yeah, it's super, super glossy. So I'm hoping it dries just like this. We'll know in a little bit. The other lights are up there, drying up. And then I sprayed my little corner lights for the EF, even though they're already faded out, they're fake. I had some real Stanleys, but I accidentally sold one. I thought I had 3, but I guess I only had 2. And I sold one to a guy, and I can't find my other one. So yeah, I gotta rock with these fake ones for now until I get some real ones. But hey, everything's coming out pretty good, guys. The Integras came a long way. Civics came a long way. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.